Today's phrasal verb is come in. It has 4 common meanings. Let's look at some examples. Repeat each one out loud twice. The first meaning is to enter a place.
She came in with a big smile. She came in with a big smile.
Come in and have a seat. Come in and have a seat. The children came in from the garden. The children came in from the garden. He knocked and came in. He knocked and came in.
Synonyms. Enter, walk in, go inside. The second meaning is to arrive or be received.
The email came in this morning. The email came in this morning.
Orders are coming in every day. Orders are coming in every day.
A call came in while I was cooking. A call came in while I was cooking.
The results came in late. The results came in late.
Synonyms. Arrive, be received, come through. The third meaning is to become fashionable or popular.
This color came in last year. This color came in last year. Wide trousers are coming in again. Wide trousers are coming in again. Country style is coming in again for home interiors. Country style is coming in again for home interiors. Electric cars are really coming in now. Electric cars are really coming in now.
Synonyms. Become fashionable, become popular, catch on. The fourth meaning is to become involved or have a part in something.
That's where experience comes in. That's where experience comes in. Money doesn't come in here. Money doesn't come in here.
Luck came in at the right moment. Luck came in at the right moment. This is where teamwork comes in. This is where teamwork comes in.
Synonyms. Play a part, be useful, be relevant. The most common expressions.
I come in late. I come in late. She comes in first. She comes in first. He comes in last. He comes in last. They come in from outside. They come in from outside.
The email came in this morning. The email came in this morning.
Now you know the most common meanings of come in. Keep learning English with clear, practical lessons and beautiful visuals.